What is human resource management? The strategic and coherent approach of managing people in an organization to achieve effectiveness and business goals. This covers the fields of staffing, retention of people, pay and perks management, performance management, change management, training and development. Objectives of HRM. Effective utilization of human resources. Establish and maintain an adequate organizational structure of relationship. Development of staff to achieve strategic business goals. Develop organizational chart and authority matrix. Work towards achievement of business goals. Provide service to other departments. To achieve the objectives, HR perform following activities, which are also key functions of the HR department. Recruitment and selection. Training and development. Salary and compensation. Employee and labor relations. Performance management system. Strategic human resource management. Development of policies and procedures. HR budget. HR audit and compliance. Vision statement. Describes what a company desires to achieve in the future. A vision statement describes what a company desires to achieve in the long run, generally in a time frame of 5 to 10 years, or sometimes even longer. It depicts a vision of what the company will look like in the future, and sets a defined direction for the planning. Mission statement describes why the company exists, what it does, and where it is headed. The mission statement supports the vision and serves to communicate purpose and direction to employees, customers, vendors, and other stakeholders.